From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for May the 4th, 2018. Today we're going to be taking a look at the AUDUSD, the Australian versus the US dollar, for today's trade analysis. We're looking here at the daily time frame. Previous uptrend, the red trend line here was moving higher. If I go out here to the weekly time frame, you can see where that red trend line comes from all the way back here in 2015. But rising red trend line. In recent weeks we have broken underneath that red trend line. Very interesting there. We're challenging the last low. Take a look back here, middle of the chart, black circle, bottom of the blue trend line where it touched the red trend line. It came to a support and reversed and went back up. So we're testing that and challenging that in the recent couple of days on the right hand side inside the little blue box. So very interesting, that pink shaded area, 75.10 down to 74.90. If we can get through there, through the 74.90 level, I think we're looking for much deeper, back down into the 74 or even into the mid to low 7300s down at the bottom of the chart. So we're definitely watching for a continuation of this falling trend. Now, of course, we have U.S. news today, important U.S. news with non-farm payrolls, earnings, and unemployment rate. If all of that is very positive for the U.S., likely looking for that breakdown. If it's negative, we may see some pullback. You know, we have this black trend line sitting way up here as a possible resistance if the market starts going back up. I don't think it would be out of the question. With negative news out of the U.S., back up here towards the 7600s would be a viable scenario, testing back the underneath side of the red trend line and the black trend line. So we'll keep an eye on that. Poor news may see a rally back higher, back to the intersection of the red and black trend line. Otherwise, good news, breaking 74.90, 75.10, heading lower. Zoom it in here. And again, we can see the market has been in somewhat of a pattern here where it's falling, congestion, black box, falling, congestion, blue box. If we're going to see the market continue to go lower, there's really only two reasons to go short right now. And again, first, I would probably wait till after the NFP news, but you're looking at resistance at the yellow zone, 75.40, 75.55, and for a breakout setup underneath the pink zone, 74.90. Those are your two reasons to go short right now on the Australian dollar. In fact, you may already be short as it rallied back into the yellow zone in the overnight hours. So if you're short, protect profit prior to the news. If you're not short, it either needs to make another rally back higher or on good news for the US NFP, we break down through the pink shaded area. Let's take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. It's not really going to change it much, but again, like I said, if you took the short into the overnight hours, you're in profit. Protect that profit. If you didn't, it either needs to come back up here to give you lower risk and higher reward. Your risk, of course, is stop loss should be above here if you decide to take the short. And, of course, a breakdown of the pink zone becomes your opportunity. So what I'm looking for today is good news for the U.S., a breakdown underneath 74.90, maybe even a little bit of a rally back as resistance underneath that pink shaded area as resistance before continuing down to the green shaded area for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.